Climate change is completely changing our world. Today I'm going to be covering our climate change lecture to help us better understand how to support our Earth in this changing climate. Let's start with the oceans. As more CO2 enters the atmosphere, the oceans absorbs it. Dissolved CO2 forms carbonic acid, lowering pH and causing ocean acidification. This makes it hard for corals, shellfish, and plankton to build their shells. When they weaken, entire marine food webs, including human fish and fisheries, are affected. Record high temperatures are also on the rise. Warmer oceans cause coral bleaching, turning reefs white and reducing habitat for countless marine species. On land, hotter, drier conditions increase the frequency and intensity of wildfires. These combined effects disrupt ecosystems, reduce biodiversity, and threaten species survival, including humans who rely on these systems for food, shelter, and countless other resources. Rising global temperatures are also causing glaciers and ice sheets to melt, while warmer water expands. This drives sea level rise, flooding coastlines, and threatening habitats. In Boston, rising seas increase the risk of flooding along the waterfront and in low-lying neighborhoods. Saltwater can go into freshwater ecosystems, which can seriously disrupt them. Warmer oceans can fuel more intense storms. Communities face more flooding, infrastructure damage, and displacement, and ecosystems experience more frequent disturbances that alter succession and species composition. All species, including humans, are then forced into a cycle of destruction and constant rebuilding. Climate change disrupts ecosystems by altering habitats and species interactions. As weather patterns shift, many species are forced to migrate, adapt, or face decline. Changes in species compositions can break food webs, reduce biodiversity, or destabilize entire ecosystems, affecting wildlife and humans who rely on those resources. To confront climate change, we have two major strategies. Mitigation tackles the cause, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. This includes renewable energy like wind and solar, reforestation, and cutting fossil fuel use. Adaptation prepares us for the changes already happening, like building seawalls, restoring wetlands, putting houses on stilts, and developing drought-resistant crops. Our response can also be reactive or proactive. Reactive solutions happen after damage occurs, like rebuilding after a hurricane. Proactive solutions prevent harm in the first place, like elevating homes and flood zones. Proactive strategies cost less over time and give ecosystems a chance to adapt. Thank you so much for listening to this summary of our lecture on climate change to build a resilient future.